Welcome back to Santa's workshop. There's only 2 days left for Christmas Eve. The last weeks have been so busy, but thanks to an absolutely great effort from the elves and our mobile helpers from MiRRY, we have been able to produce more gifts than ever in a very limited time. Now the last challenge is to distribute all of these gifts in an efficient way to Santa's sleigh.
To get the gifts from production to Santa's sleigh efficiently, we are now using the MiRRY robots. We are using the same mobile robots as we did when we received all the incoming toy components. It's super easy to redeploy the MiRRY robots for new missions. We just updated on our map on the iPad. Now the MiRRY robots make sure to pick up the gifts in production and make timely deliveries to the sleigh. Here, our qualified elves make sure that the sleigh is packed in the best possible way according to Santa's route on Christmas Eve.
Besides the increased productivity and efficiency, another benefit of the MiRRY robots that we had not initially expected is the improved elf satisfaction. Mostly because the elves now have more meaningful jobs than just moving gifts and toy components from one place to another. But also because we have a much better work-life balance for the elves. Usually they have to work so much before Christmas to get all the presents ready, and they still do. But with more automated processes, we've been able to work smarter and not harder. And this year, the elves have actually had time to enjoy Christmas. And that's important, because happy and rested elves make better presents.
As Santa, my vision is, of course, to ensure a lovely Christmas to everybody and to be able to bring great gifts to all the children of the world. This year, we have been highly challenged by the global shortage of components, by elf labor shortage, by increased requirements for customized gifts for the kids, and finally by the elf illness. We didn't think it was possible to be ready for Christmas in time, but due to a great effort from many elves and with help from our mobile friends from MiRRY, we have been able to overcome the struggles. I am happy to say that Christmas is saved. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!